Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you all how to use Midjourney so you can make some really amazing AI generated images. Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add your Midjourney bot to your own server so you don't get bombarded by all the other creations on the Midjourney Discord server. Because as you can see right now, it's filled with countless creations that all these other users have created. Then I'm going to show you guys how to actually write a prompt to generate the images, as well as tell the Midjourney bot what size you prefer and use their latest version to make the best image. And finally, I'm going to show you guys how to use another image to get a more accurate result of what you want your generated image to look like. Alright, so first I'm going to show you guys how to actually add the Midjourney bot to your own server so you don't get bombarded by all the other posts. Alright, so all you got to do is go over here to the left where all your servers are, and you go over to the Midjourney server. Once you're over in the Midjourney server, all you gotta do is click on the Midjourney bot anywhere in the message feed. You click on the Midjourney bot, you click add to server, and then all you gotta do is go over here to add to server. Once you click on it, and you select your server, which in my case is that. Then you click continue, authorize, and then verify that you're human. Once that is done, you get a success message that it's actually in your server. Then you click go to your server, and boom, there you go. So once you have your Midjourney bot in your server, all you gotta do to generate an image is type slash forward slash imagine, and boom. See, it has a little prompt thing on the side. That's where you actually start typing what you want. So in my case, I'll generate an image of a guy holding a camera taking a picture of the Statue of Liberty. So I'll just say a guy holding a camera. Well, no, actually, let's say 20-year-old man holding a camera and taking a picture of the Statue of Liberty. Usually it takes some time to actually generate the image, but once it's out, you get whatever Midjourney creates. And there you go. It's actually pretty good actually. Better than I expected it to be. But usually, if you're a little more specific, you could possibly get exactly what you want. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to actually pick whatever size that you want for your image. So not all of them have to look like this. Some of them could be wider, for example. So to do such a thing, all you got to do is, again, write your prompt. Imagine prompt. I'm going to use the same prompt that I used the last time. Sorry, not that. You're going to have to copy and paste. And to get whatever size that you want, you do dash dash AR 16 by 9. I'll use, for example. It doesn't have to be 16 by 9. It could be your own dimensions, but for me, it's going to be 16 by 9. Also, to tell Midjourney that you want the latest version of their software to generate the image for you, what you could do is dash dash B space 5. So version 5 is the latest version of Midjourney, and then after that, just hit enter. And there you go. As you can see, the image looks a lot more wider, a lot more fuller now. And all right, so finally, I'm going to show you guys how to actually upload an image to use as a prompt. So all you got to do is hit this plus sign, go to upload file, and then wherever you save some images in your computer. In my case, I downloaded one of the images that I generated and then cropped it out. So all you got to do is hit open, enter again, let it load, and then start to write your normal prompt. So imagine prompt is there, and now all you gotta do to get this image in the prompt is drag it. It'll create a link right here. So it tells Midjourney that you're gonna use this image in your next prompt. So you want maybe the next character that you're creating to look like this guy. So I might say, uh, 20 year uh 20-year-old man. Um, I could say light skin. He has a beard, and he's in front of a building or something, right? In front. of the Empire State Building. I don't know. And then I'm gonna do version 5, and that's it. All right, it seems like it's generating the image in front of the Statue of Liberty. I'm guessing the AI generator took the Statue of Liberty as a person as well. But in most cases, if you're just adding the image of a person, it's gonna generate another person without something that looks like a person in the background. So yeah, in this case, it didn't come out like how we wanted it, but the character does look very similar to the one in the original picture. And we can also see a little bit of some buildings in the background. And I'm guessing on this one here on the bottom, he's probably on top of it, the Empire State Building. And that is it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, hope you have a good day.